Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Crypto Money Machine. Today I will introduce to you a new platform. It's an investment platform and also it's a mining project. You can simply deposit and make a handsome profit from here. So keep watching the full video and do subscribe my channel. So first of all you need to go to the website, and the link of the website is you will show on my description box. So I will now go to the website. It's the website name cryptowire.biz. It's a cryptocurrency investment mining project. You can invest here cryptocurrency and you can make a handsome profit from here. So I will introduce to you this site on this video. So please keep watch the full video. So I'll enter the website. It's the website. The name of this site is Cryptowire. It's an investment platform. You can deposit here and earn a small good profit from here. 3.6% everyday profit. You can earn 3.6% every day from here. If you deposit your amount, and you can daily earn a 3.6% profit your investment from here, and 0.15% hourly you can earn from here. Cryptowire is a investment cryptocurrency mining project, and it's a international company, and it's a mining and investing cryptocurrency project. There are lots of cryptocurrency are here, they accepted, and most of currencies are very popular, and there are currencies the currencies are BTC, BCH, LTC, Ethereum, Doggy, Dash, USDT, XRP, JDC, TRX, XLM. Cryptowire accepts only this coin, and here are you can see the minimum investment. There are minimum investment are 0.001 BTC, 0.02 Ethereum, 0.035 BCH, 3000 Doggy, 0.15 LTC, 0.1 Dash. Investment here are so investment cancellation available after 24 hours for a 5% release fee. You can deposit here and cancel it after 24 hours with a 5% release fee. Hourly interest profits will be added to your account every hour. There are 0.15% hourly you can earn from here. So now I will show you how you invest here and how you earn from here. So Cryptowire is a cryptocurrency mining project, and it's a completely great project. And here are no need to fill KYC or any verification. You just need to create the account and log in your account and deposit and wait 24 hours, and lots of time you should to deposit it. So you need to click this link, cryptowire link, and it's on my description. You will be see. So if you deposit this coin, there are lots of cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, BCH, LTC, Dash, Doggy, USDT, XRP, ZEC, TRX wallet. So I will simply show you with the TRX wallet. how you deposit TRX and earn from here. So it's the TRX option. Simply if you want to deposit here, so simply click on deposit. Here are you see the minimum investment is 350 TRX. You can deposit 350 TRX on here. If you deposit 350 TRX, you can earn 0.5 to 5 TRX per hour, and daily 12.60, weekly 88.20, and monthly 378.0. If you deposit only 350 TRX, you can earn monthly 378 TRX without any work and without any tasks. You can simply earn from it, only just deposit it. You don't need to do anything, any work, any task. You just simply deposit it. So you need to deposit address, so click make deposit button, and you can see the TRX address, and you copy it and go to your wallet and send only minimum 350 TRX. You can deposit lots of you can deposit bigger amount. If you have available balance, you can deposit here. There are no chance to scam this site. It's a very legit and very popular site. You can safely deposit here and earn a handsome profit from here. You no need to be panic. It's a very legit and very popular site. You can easily and safely deposit here. So there are many there are no need to have any verification or any KYC. You just need to create the account and deposit. So if you want to deposit any other coin like XLM Jack, USDT, Doggy, you can deposit any coin of this. So Doggy, I will show you the Doggy, how you deposit Doggy, and simply click on deposit. There are minimum deposit are 3000 Doggy. You can earn hourly 4.50 Doggy. You can earn daily 108 Doggy. You can earn weekly 756 Doggy. You can earn monthly 3240 Doggy. That means you can earn a double. You can earn a double with a month. So I suggest you can hold the coin I suggest you everyone to hold the amount at least 1 month. If you hold it at least 1 month, you can earn a double profit from here. So it's the same tricks. You need to click on deposit. My internet connection is little bit so slow, so please don't mind. And you can see the Doggy coin wallet address, and you need to copy this address and send this address Doggy coin. So after you can deposit, and how you withdraw it. So if you try to withdraw it, you need to click on withdraw funds. Right now I have no funds, so I can't see you the withdraw options, but withdraw is very easy. You can deposit, and here you can see the withdrawal options, and you copy your wallet address where you can make payments, and you can submit. Also you will receive your Doggy very shortly. So it's the system of this site. It's a cryptocurrency mining project and also investment project. you can deposit a little bit of small amount and you can earn a very good profit from here. You can earn daily. If you deposit Bitcoin, you can earn daily. If you deposit minimum 0.001 BTC, you can daily earn 0.00000015 BTC and monthly 0.001080 BTC. So it's a very good for the investor or the cryptocurrency experts. So I suggest everyone to try this website, and it's a very legit and it's a very popular website. They never do anything wrong and they are very helpful. If you try to contact with them, you can contact here. There is telegram link of CryptoWire. You can click on this and go to their telegram channel. It's the telegram channel of CryptoWire. You can see the all updates about CryptoWire from here. So if you want to contact with them, you can click on this and you can contact with them very easily. So guys, it's a cryptocurrency investing and mining project. You can safely deposit here and earn a 3.6% every day or 0.15% hourly. You can earn from here. So I mentioned you that you can do a minimum deposit of any coin and you should try it, and I think you will be earn a great profit from here. So guys, it's the today video is about the CryptoWire. So I will complete the working system of CryptoWire. So guys, if you want to deposit from here, you can click on my referral link and you can see it on my description box, this video description box, and you can simply click on this link and make a account with your email password and username, and then you need to log in your this website, and you need to deposit of any cryptocurrencies from here, and you need to wait 24 hours or 7 days or 30 days. It's depend on you. So guys, it's the video of CryptoWire. So I hope you will enjoy the platform, and I think you will deposit here and earn a handsome profit from here. So guys, the video is end now. So please, if you like this video, like, comment and share. Also and obviously subscribe my channel, please. So guys, thank you very much.